Have you noticed how every time DJI goes quiet, the rumors somehow get louder? Because right now, if you are even slightly into drones, chances are you have already heard whispers about the DJI Air4. And honestly, that curiosity makes perfect sense. The Air series has always lived in that sweet spot, powerful enough to feel professional, portable enough to actually take everywhere. So today, we are breaking down the latest DJI Air4 leaks, what they might be telling us, and whether this is actually a drone worth waiting for, or just another case of internet hype getting ahead of reality. Let us start with the image that kicked this whole conversation into high gear. A leaked photo, allegedly showing a crashed DJI Air4 test unit, started circulating among well-known drone leakers. Now, a crashed prototype does not sound exciting at first, but the design details are where things get interesting. From the top down, the drone looks slightly more aggressive than the Air3. The arms appear thicker, and there are what look like additional sensors on top of the body. If that image is legit, it suggests DJI is reinforcing the airframe and possibly adding more advanced sensing hardware. That alone hints at a shift in how safe and intelligent the airline might become. This brings us straight into obstacle avoidance, one of the most talked about upgrades in the Air4 rumors. The Air3 already offers solid sensing, but leaks suggest DJI could be expanding coverage even further. Extra sensors could mean fewer blind spots and more confidence when flying in complex environments like forests, city streets, or dynamic tracking shots. For creators who push their drones creatively, better obstacle awareness is not just a nice feature, it's peace of mind. And if DJI truly brings air-level sensing closer to Mavic territory, that would be a big deal. Now let's talk about the part everyone really cares about, the camera. While nothing is confirmed, a lot of speculation points toward a noticeable sensor upgrade. Some rumors even suggest a possible move to a 1-inch sensor. That would be massive for the Air series, bringing better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and cleaner footage overall. Even if DJI stops short of a full 1-inch sensor, most leaks agree the Air4 camera will be a meaningful step forward. For video shooters, that means stronger image quality straight out of camera and less time fighting footage in post. On the video side, expectations are high but realistic. Solid 4K at higher frame rates, improved HDR handling, and refined color profiles all feel like natural progressions. DJI has been leaning into smarter processing lately, so better-looking footage without heavy grading seems likely. Battery life is another area to watch closely. Thicker arms and a slightly revised body could mean either a larger battery or more efficient motors. That could translate to longer flight times, or at least more stable performance in wind, both of which matter far more than raw spec numbers in real-world flying. So when does the Air4 actually arrive? This is where things get murky. Some leaks point toward early 2026, and that timing makes sense. The Air3 and Air3S are still selling well, and DJI rarely rushes a launch that could compete with its own lineup. Pricing is also still a mystery, but history suggests the Air4 would sit slightly above the Air3 at launch. Premium features without crossing fully into Mavic territory, which is exactly why the Air series has always been so popular. So what's the takeaway here? On paper, the DJI Air4 is shaping up to be a thoughtful evolution rather than a flashy reinvention. Improved obstacle avoidance, a potentially stronger camera, smarter video processing, and refined design could make it one of the most balanced drones DJI has ever released. If you already own an Air3, there's no need to rush. But if you're planning an upgrade later down the line, the Air4 is absolutely a drone worth watching. Now I want to hear from you. What would make the Air4 a must-buy in your eyes? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
What if DJI's smallest and safest drone is about to get a quiet but meaningful upgrade? If you have been searching for DJI Flip 2 leaks, you are clearly not alone. Ever since the original Flip landed, people have been asking whether DJI is cooking up a second generation behind closed doors. In this video, we are breaking down what the silence actually means, when a Flip 2 could realistically launch, how much it might cost, and whether it is even worth waiting for. Because with DJI, silence is usually part of the strategy. So, what made the original DJI Flip different in the first place? It did not try to outmuscle the Mini or Air series. Instead, it leaned hard into safety, portability, and ease of use. Built-in prop protection, a friendly learning curve, and grab-and-go convenience made it a favorite for beginners, casual creators, and vloggers who wanted quick aerial shots without stress. That positioning matters because any Flip 2 would almost certainly stay true to that identity rather than chase raw performance. Here is where expectations need to be realistic. DJI typically refreshes consumer drones every 1 to 2 years, but that timeline depends heavily on demand and internal priorities. The original Flip is still relatively fresh, and there are no credible leaks pointing to an imminent successor. Based on DJI's past patterns, the earliest a Flip 2 would make sense is sometime in 2026. The current silence does not mean the project is dead, but it does suggest DJI is not rushing. When DJI is ready, the leaks tend to appear quickly and from multiple sources at once. That has not happened yet. If a Flip 2 does happen, expect refinement rather than a dramatic leap. The camera is the most obvious place for improvement, not through a massive sensor change, but through better image processing. Cleaner low-light footage, improved HDR, and more consistent color science are all realistic upgrades. DJI has a long history of squeezing better results out of similar hardware with smarter software. Flight performance could also see subtle gains. Even a small increase in flight time through improved efficiency would be meaningful in this category. Better wind resistance and steadier hovering would also align perfectly with how people actually use the Flip. Smarter software is where a Flip 2 could really shine. DJI has been investing heavily in automated shooting modes and beginner-friendly tools across its lineup. Improved subject tracking, more reliable gesture controls, and refined quick-shot modes all feel like natural evolutions. Obstacle avoidance is the big question. Adding serious sensors risks increasing weight and cost, so any improvements here would likely be subtle or software-based. The goal would still be confidence and safety, not turning the Flip into a fully autonomous drone. Do not expect a radical redesign. The folding structure and built-in prop protection are the Flip's identity. Any changes would almost certainly be refinements, keeping the weight under 249 grams and preserving its portability. Pricing would likely stay close to the original model, with a modest increase to account for upgrades and inflation, but still positioned below the Mini series. That said, there is another possibility worth considering. DJI has quietly retired product lines before. If the Flip no longer fits its long-term strategy, the concept could evolve into something new rather than a direct sequel. So should you wait? Probably not. With no confirmed leaks or timeline, waiting could mean sitting on the sidelines for a year or more. The original DJI Flip remains a solid option today. For now, the DJI Flip 2 sits firmly in the possible but unconfirmed category, and when real leaks finally appear, you can bet things will move fast. So what do you think? Would you want a Flip 2, or is the current model already enough? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you do not miss the moment real information finally drops.